Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the resident expert here at Skacel on all your knitting machine needs, and I'm here to show you how to take apart your machine in case you ever need to replace a part. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace this black inner ring on your machine. And as you can see, I have a large ring here and a small ring here, and this is both for the king size and the Pro Addi Express machines. And you can tell this part, you can differentiate it on your machine because of this little triangle. Coming in from the top of your machine, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. You're going to want to remove the 4 screws holding the yarn guide ring onto the top here. Once you remove your screws, you can simply pick up the yarn guide and this ring will come along with it. You're going to want to set that aside. And from here, you're also going to want to remove this red ring, which comes right off as well. And from here, I can see that I have access to the ring. All I need to do next is unscrew another set of 4 screws in the middle. Now that I've taken out my screws, all you have to do is gently pull this ring out. And the needles are loose in your machine at this point, so you want to be careful not to jostle things around too much. Otherwise, you will have a needly mess. So once you have your new part, you want to make sure when you are inserting this ring, you're careful of where your triangle is located, because this is what is going to allow for those little notches on your needles to ride up into as they're going up the little hill. And it should also match up with the little notches on the ring so that you can screw it in to the body once again. And you're going to want to kind of press it in there, make sure that it's set in its home. And from here, we just simply screw it back in. If your machine is grinding or it's too difficult to crank the handle and you've determined that it's not the handle, it's not the needles, it could very well be this part. And that is simply because there's a lot of friction going on between the needles and this part. And if there's any little piece of plastic that may have been warped somehow or just simply isn't compatible with the other parts and they don't get along very well, then you may need to replace this part.